Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Let's begin lesson number 14, textual exercise. Lesson name is Simple Past and Past Continuous. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the given verbs. First, he dashed to the officer about his complaint. Answer is spoke. Second, I dashed flowers to my friend. Answer is sent. You have 2 minutes to solve rest of the exercise. Let's continue. Third, the poet dashed thousands of daffodils in the valley. The answer is saw. Fourth, Pooja dashed collecting stamps as a child. Answer, liked. Fifth, the lights dash off during the storm. The answer is went. Sixth, the animals dash around the stream to drink water. The answer is gathered. Seventh, the weather dash very pleasant yesterday. Answer is was. Eighth, my grandmother dash a detective story to me. Answer is narrated. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the given verbs. First, I dash sleeping in the afternoon, in bracket sleep. The answer is was sleeping. Second, we dash to the restaurant for lunch when you called. In bracket go. The answer is were going. Third, my mother dashed me to complete my homework when the lights went off. In bracket ask. Answer is was asking. Fourth, I dashed the plants in our garden. In bracket water. Answer is was watering. Fifth, Krishna dashed with his friends in the evening. In bracket play. Answer is was playing. Sixth, the two brothers dash with each other. In bracket fight. The answer is was fighting. Seventh, Akash dash home when he saw a man wearing strange clothes standing on the road. In bracket walk. Answer is was walking. Eighth, Seema and Radha dash to the audience about pollution. in bracket speak. Answer is were speaking. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past continuous form of the given verbs. First, the dog dash at passers-by until the moment when he dash his master. Answer: in first dash was barking and in second dash saw. Second, I dash a pizza at the cafe while I dash for my brother to arrive. Answer: in first dash was eating and in second dash waited. Third, Mary and John dash on the project when they dash stuck with a difficult problem. Answer is: in first dash were working and in second dash got. Fourth, she dash water when you dash. Answer is: in first dash was drinking and in second dash called. Fifth, I dash my mother when my mobile phone dash and dash from my hand. Answer is: in first dash was calling, second slipped and in third dash fell. Sixth, Vishnu dash when his canvas dash. Answer is: in first dash was painting and in second dash tore. Seventh, they dashed the cricket match between India and Pakistan at the stadium when it dashed to rain. Answer is: in first dash were watching and in second dash began. Eighth, Nisha and Rama dashed the dishes when the water dash. Answer is: in first dash were washing and in second dash finished. Okay, my dear student, these exercise you have to do in your note.